Hello guys, in this video I will give you Shopify pricing plans in 2024. As you can see that I've inside the members area of Shopify. I'm using Shopify for my dropshipping business. I'm going to show you which plan that you can choose that is right for you guys. Okay, as you can see, these are the pricing plan that Shopify offers. But first of all, if you want to get an access to the Shopify, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can try Shopify for free only for $1. That's going to be costing you only $1 for your 30 days, guys. Okay, so let's talk about Shopify pricing plans. Okay, so as you can see that Shopify offers so many plans per month, guys. For the basic plan, that is most popular, meaning that which is good for you if you are starting out in a dropshipping business, guys. Okay, you can use this plan. It is good. I also use this plan, guys. Okay, the basic plan that is gonna be costing you $25 per month. It cost me $25 per month to use Shopify. But if you wanna pay on a yearly basis for this plan, you can save up to 25% off, meaning that per month is gonna be now $19, guys. Okay, so with this plan, for the basic plan, you can have world best converting checkout. Okay, so you can also use this checkout, guys. Okay, that was designed by Shopify. You can also get started with standard analytics. You can have what the member standard analytics is that when you go here to analytics, Shopify, guys, this is one of my free accounts, but I have a Shopify account. I'm not gonna show you that account that I'm using because I don't want to reveal my store to you and also the sales that I make, guys. Okay, because I make a lot of money on dropshipping. So as you can see that these are the standard analytics. As you can see that, meaning that you can also check how many total sales that you got for today, or you can do some customization maybe on the last 7 days, or maybe on the last 7, or maybe yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, last 100 days, last month, last 12 month. You can check all of those things here, guys, with this standard analytics. Like, it's gonna be showing you the online store sessions, like how many visitors that you're getting from your store, and also it's gonna be showing you the online store conversion rate. Like if you say that your store is getting 3% conversion rate, mean that your store, guys, it is perfect, it is converting very well, guys. Okay, let's go here. You can have also 10 inventory locations. You can also get an access to 24/7 chat support. So if you want to get in chat support with Shopify, guys, okay, just go here and also just click here to my store, and also you can also go here to the help center, guys. Okay, this is whereby that you can also talk with the 24/7 chat support from Shopify. You can also hire a Shopify partner. It is those are the things that I like about Shopify, guys, is that you can also hire someone to design a store for you automatically. You can also hire someone to run traffic from your store, guys, using Shopify, guys. Okay, it is very important. And also you can also have unlimited store on your Shopify account. There's no limit. Okay, what else? You can also have localized global selling. For this plan, which is I recommend for people that are starting out with Shopify, is just click here to start your free trial, but you'll be getting 3 days free trial. In order, guys, to get this 30 days free trial, you must upgrade it only for $1, guys. Okay, I highly recommend, guys, because Shopify, they usually offers 90 days free trial, but they reduce that free trial and they give you 30 days free trial, guys. So I will take an advantage if I were you to use this 30 days free trial. Then we go to Shopee for Shopee plan, which is good for small teams. If you have a team or an agency, you can also use this one, guys. Okay, but if you use this one, you can have also 5 additional staff accounts, mean that you can also have 5 additional staff accounts on your Shopify account. But if you wanna pay on a monthly basis for this plan, it's gonna be $65 per month. But if you wanna pay on a yearly basis, you can save up to $25 per month. So you can save up to 25% per month, meaning that the price is gonna be $49 per month. This one is for agencies, guys, for the advanced, guys. If you wanna scale your online business with Shopify, you can pay $499 per month. I mean that here you can have access up to 15 additional staff accounts. Okay, and also if you wanna pay on a yearly basis, you can pay $299 per month, guys. Okay, with this plan. But the plan that I recommend for you guys is the basic plan, guys. Okay, this is the plan that I can say to you please use this plan, guys, because I recommend this plan that you can use it out, because you can also get an access, guys, with this done for you themes that comes with Shopify. When you click here to sales channel and just go here to online store under themes, you can choose any themes that you want for your store, guys. Okay, these are the free, but some of them are paid ones, but I don't recommend that you can use the paid ones, because these free ones, guys, okay, they are amazing, guys. Okay, let's just take a look at them. There's the free ones. They are so amazing. You can take an advantage using this free one, guys. Okay, so if you want to get an access, guys, to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. And also, if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you. Shop.